Hydration is very important. So what I'm going to do today with the dollar store kit, I'm going to start a fire, and I'm also going to purify some of this water that I can let cool and take with me. For fire reasons, I'm going to build it right here. I can also splash water on it to put it out. The burn ban is off right now, but it still is dry. So I'm not going to take chances of a forest fire. Rocks that are around water, they can also split and explode. So be cautious there as well. But I'm just going to clear out a little bit. And I'm also going to put a fire lay down. And that's going to help keep the fire up out of that damp ground. Just put this rock on here that I can set my water bottle right on top. I'm going to build this up around and build my fire right around my water bottle. That's filled right up to there. Should be plenty. See how this is going to rest on here. Should be good right like that. Now I can build my fire wood up around this. I'm going to use some of these fire starters and just going to light that up and put it in underneath and let it go up through. Do that in a couple spots and see if we can get it going. Wonder if this here will strike this. Oh yeah. So, just going to fluff this up a little bit. See if we can get this going with ferro rod. I'd like to be able to, there, I'll do it this way. Almost. Well, I guess I'm going to have to use a little magnesium. Now, didn't fluff it up enough, I guess. That's what happens when you try to cheat with fire. It'll bite you in the butt. It says, no. Take the time, prepare me right, or else I'm not going to work. There we go. Get that other one. Light that up. That in a couple more spots. Good thing is, if this starts to burn down, you can always put more firewood on it. Seems to always happen when I try to skimp on fire. All I had to do is fluff it up a little bit more. But you think, that's okay, that'll work. Well, it lets you know real quick that take your time and do it right.
You've got bubbles in that already. I already had that to a rolling boil. As you see, it's still boiling away.
Still boiling away right there, and still had plenty of wood, didn't need any more. I'll show you how this here works. Of course, you always have to take care, but we're going to just drop this in. So there's the bottle. What I'll do is go in like this, shake it down, and now I can move it away from the fire and let it cool. So that's still going to be a while cooling down. But I could take some wild teas and let it steep in there as well and make a tea so I can get some nourishment as well as just hydration. But this here, I've shown fire, I've shown water purification and shelter with this kit. That there proves to me that it can be a valuable addition on a day hike or just going out in the woods for a while, because if needed, these pieces of gear could come in very handy and possibly save your life. So I hope you enjoyed this dollar store gear series that I've been doing. I've been doing it to show people there are great deals out there on some gear that is very usable in our wilderness. Not everybody can get the same gear, but every dollar store seems to vary, and the prices seem to vary. That's why I don't normally mention which store or the price. But this kit that I put together was a little bit of a challenge, of course, because the gear usually isn't of top quality, but the gear in here has proven itself and does work. Just a budget gear like this can make all the difference out there. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and I appreciate it.